Students, in last video, we have completed some problems related to differentiation of implicit function. Okay, now in this video also, we have to solve some problems related to implicit function, but the problems are of the show that type and which are very important according to the board exam. Okay students, so let us see first example of today's video, that is, if sec of x raised to 5 plus y raised to 5 upon x raised to 5 minus y raised to 5 equal to a square, then show that dy by dx equal to y upon x. Okay, so to solve this type of problems easily, first thing we have to do, that is shift this sec to that side. Okay, and shift that side, we get x raised to 5 plus y raised to 5 upon x raised to 5 minus y raised to 5 equal to that side the sec becomes sec raised to minus 1, that is sec inverse of a square. Okay, and this sec inverse of a square, consider this is a constant number p. Consider this is the constant number p. Constant number p. Okay, and therefore this is x raised to 5 plus y raised to 5 upon x raised to 5 minus y raised to 5 equal to p. Now shift this term to that side, we get x raised to 5 plus y raised to 5 equal to p into x raised to 5 minus y raised to 5. Now the same variable at same time, shift the same variable at same side, that is x raised to 5 minus p into x raised to 5, means we have shift the term here, and then students, we are solving the brackets. Okay, x raised to 5 plus y raised to 5 equal to p into x raised to 5 minus p into y raised to 5. We are shifting or collecting the variable, same variable at same side. Suppose at one side the variable y and at one side the variable x. So suppose shift y to that side, we get y raised to 5 plus p into y raised to 5. Into another side p x raised to 5 minus x raised to 5. So common out here y, we get y raised to 5 into 1 plus p equal to x raised to 5 into p minus 1. Okay, and now we have the now shift the constant term at same side and the variable of differentiation at one side, that is y raised to 5 upon x raised to 5 equal to p minus 1 upon p plus 1. Suppose this is the constant term and consider the constant term s, where s is the constant number. Okay, and hence y raised to 5 upon x raised to 5 equal to s. Suppose this is 1. Okay, now differentiate 1 with respect to x, because we want to find out dy by dx. Or first we can write this as y raised to 5 equal to s into x raised to 5, and now differentiate. Now differentiate with respect to x. We get, that is differentiation of y raised to 5, differentiation of y raised to 5 with respect to x equal to s as a constant, differentiation of x raised to 5 with respect to x. We get differentiation of y raised to 5 is, differentiation of y raised to 5 is 5 y raised to 4, and again remember the same thing, note the same thing as last time. We have to differentiate this with respect to x, that is 5y raised to 4 into differentiation of y with respect to x is dy by dx. Now s is a constant and differentiation of x raised to 5 is 5x raised to 4. Here the 5 get cancelled on both sides, and now we have dy by dx equal to s into x raised to 4 upon y raised to 4. Okay. Now put the value of s. Put the value of s from 1. Value of s from this one. So here we get dy by dx equal to, dy by dx equal to value of s is y raised to 5 upon x raised to 5 into x raised to 4 upon, this is y raised to 4, right? Y raised to 4 upon y raised to 4. Okay. So here y raised to 4 get cancelled, x raised to 4 get cancelled, and now dy by dx equal to y upon x that we have to show. In this way we have completed the example. Okay students, now the next one. If tan inverse of 3x square minus 4y square upon 3x square plus 4y square equal to a square, then show that dy by dx equal to y upon x. Okay students, so this is again in the last example what we have taken the steps. We have shifted this number to that side and we get this is equal to 3x square minus 4y square upon 3x square plus 4y square equal to tan of a square. And tan of a square is constant. Suppose let us p is the constant number. Okay. So this is 3x square minus 4y square equal to p into 3x square plus 4y square. Now 3x square minus 4y square equal to 3px square plus 4py square. Collect the variable at same side. So shift this x square to that side. 3x square minus 3px square equal to 4py square plus 4y square. Now common out x square, we get common out 3x square, we get 3x square. 1 minus p equal to 4y square 1 plus p. Okay students, so now take the constant term at one side. Collect the constant term at one side. We get 3x square upon 4y square equal to 1 plus p upon 1 minus p, and consider this is a constant number. 1 plus p, 1 minus p, the constant number. Consider for that constant number the s, where s is the constant number again. Okay, as p is constant, 1 plus p, 1 minus p is also constant. Okay, and this is equal to, now this is equal to 3x square equal to s into 4y square. Okay, and what is the value of s? Here the value of s is, the value of s equal to 3x square upon 4y square. Now differentiate with respect to x. With respect to x, we get differentiation of 3x square is 3 as a constant, differentiation of 2x square is 2x, s is a constant, 4 is a constant, differentiation of y square is 2y into dy by dx. Okay, and now we have, this is 6x equal to 8y into s dy by dx. Now put the value of s. Students, we have to put the value from 1. Okay, so value of s is 6x equal to 8y into value of s is 3x square upon 4y square into dy by dx. That is 4 2s are 8, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Again 2 get cancel. Okay, and x equal to y into x square upon y square into dy by dx. This y get cancel, x get cancel, and hence dy by dx equal to y upon x. Okay, students, in this way we have completed the problems. Okay, we have completed the problems. Similarly, you can solve the problem. Okay, similarly you can solve this problem as a homework. That is, if sec of x raised to 5 plus y raised to 5 upon x raised to 5 minus y raised to 5 equal to a square, then show that dy by dx equal to y upon x. This is one problem. The next is second one, cos inverse of 7x raised to 4 minus 4y square upon this is 3x raised to 3x square minus 3x square minus 4y square upon 3x square plus 4y square, then show that which is equal to a square, then show that dy by dx equal to y upon x. Again, if cos inverse of 7x raised to 4 plus 5y raised to 4 upon 7x raised to 4 minus 5y raised to 4 equal to tan inverse of A. Then show that dy by dx equal to y upon x. Similarly, the fourth one, log of x raised to 20 minus y raised to 20 upon x raised to 20 plus y raised to 20 equal to 20. Then show that dy by dx equal to y upon x. Okay students, in all these examples you have to do the same thing, that is shift this sec to that side, shift this cos inverse to that side, here also shift this cos inverse to that side, and that becomes cos of tan inverse of A, and consider that is equal to P. Same thing here you have to do, that is shift this cos and you will get cos inverse of get that side to cos of A square, and consider this is equal to constant P. Similarly, here cancelling logs on both sides. The hint for this problem is cancelling logs on both sides. Cancelling logs on both sides means here that will be x raised to 20 minus y raised to 20 upon this log will be shift. Shift means cancelling logs on both sides. Here log get cancelled and you will get x raised to 20 minus y raised to 20 upon x raised to 20 plus y raised to 20 equal to e raised to 20. When we cancel logs on both sides, at one side logs get cancelled and at another side e raised to thing is appear, and in this way it is e raised to 20, and consider this is equal to p, and by usual method you have to solve the problem. Okay students, in this way you have to solve these problems. Okay, now take down the next one. Okay students, try to solve these problems. If you have difficulty, then ask me. You must solve these problems, then and then you can understand the steps. Okay, now the next one. If log to the base 10 x raised to 3 minus y raised to 3 upon x raised to 3 plus y raised to 3 equal to 2, then show that dy by dx equal to minus 99x square upon 101 y square. Students, this is very important problem which the problem is asked for number of times in the exam, board exam, and which is very important problem. It is asked for number of times. Okay, so let us consider what is given. Log to the base 10 x raised to 3 minus y raised to 3 upon x raised to 3 plus y raised to 3 equal to 2. Students, to simplify this problem, if you know the logarithmic rule, that is you know the definition of logarithm, that is log of m to the base a equal to b. Log of m to the base a equal to b, then a raised to b equal to m. If you know the definition, then by using this definition we can simplify the problem very easily. So by using the definition here, That means suppose this is, here the base is 10, b is 2 and m is the term. Suppose this is a, this is b and this is m. By using this definition, we can convert this, that is m equal to a raised to b. M is x raised to 3, x raised to 3 minus y raised to 3 upon x raised to 3 plus y raised to 3 equal to 10 square, that is 100. And now this is x raised to 3 minus y raised to 3 equal to 100 x cube plus 100 y cube. By shifting this to that side, we get. And now the same variable at same side, that is x raised to 3 minus 100 x raised to 3 equal to 100 y raised to 3. Shift this y to that side, that will become plus. And this is minus 99 x raised to 3 equal to 101 y raised to 3. And now differentiate. Now this is very simple. Therefore differentiate this with respect to x. With respect to x. Minus 99 as a constant. Differentiation of x raised to 3 with respect to dx. Here 101 is constant. Differentiation of y cube with respect to x. Okay students. So here minus 99 differentiation of x raised to 3 is 3x square equal to 101 as a constant. Differentiation of y cube is 3y square. This is differentiation of y cube with respect to, that is 3y square. Again y with respect to x is dy by dx. Every time we have to note this step. Differentiation of y with respect to x in case of implicit function. So here 3 get cancelled. And now the term at one side is only dy by dx. Transfer the remaining terms. Dy by dx equal to minus 99x square upon the term is 101y square. And hence we have proved the problem. Okay students, by using this method we have proved the problem. Now the next one. If e raised to x plus e raised to y equal to e raised to x plus y, then show that dy by dx equal to minus e raised to y minus x. Okay students, so let us see what is the problem. The problem is that e raised to x plus e raised to y equal to e raised to x plus y. Suppose this is 1. Now differentiate 1 with respect to x. Differentiate 1 with respect to x. We get differentiation of e raised to x with respect to x plus differentiation of e raised to y with respect to x equal to differentiation of e raised to x plus y with respect to x. Okay students, here differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x plus differentiation of e raised to y is e raised to y. but y is function of x, and therefore in implicit function e raised to y into y with respect to x. Note this step every time. Now differentiation of e raised to x plus y is e raised to x plus y. According to the exponential rule, we have differentiate here, but this x plus y is again differentiable function, and that's why into differentiation of x plus y with respect to x. And this is e raised to x, this is e raised to x plus e raised to y dy by dx equal to e raised to x plus y into differentiation of x with respect to x is 1 plus differentiation of y with respect to x is dy by dx. Okay, in this way. Now this is equal to e raised to x plus e raised to y dy by dx equal to e raised to x plus y into 1 plus e raised to x plus y into dy by dx. Now collect the term containing dy by dx at one side. We get collect the term containing dy by dx at one side, that is e raised to y dy by dx. Shift the term to that side minus e raised to x plus y dy by dx equal to e raised to x plus y minus e raised to x. Now common out dy by dx, we get e raised to y minus e raised to x plus y equal to e raised to x plus y minus e raised to x. Okay students, but from the step 1, e raised to x plus y is e raised to x plus e raised to y. So put these values, put the value, that is dy by dx into e raised to y minus, put this value from 1, put this value from 1, that is e raised to x plus y is e raised to x plus e raised to y. This is e raised to x plus e raised to y, and which is equal to, this is equal to e raised to x plus, this is equal to, see here, e raised to x plus y minus e raised to x. Now the value of e raised to x plus y again from 1, this is e raised to x plus e raised to y. This is equal to e raised to x plus e raised to y minus e raised to x. So from 1 we have put the value of this and value of this from 1. From 1 we have put these values. Okay students, and now e raised to y get cancelled, e raised to x get cancelled, and dy by dx into minus e raised to x equal to e raised to y, and therefore dy by dx equal to e raised to y upon e raised to x with negative sign. And now shift this basis same, division is there, according to the rules of indices this is minus e raised to y minus x. We have shift this to numerator, and in this way we have shown the problem. Okay students, so we have completed in this way. Okay, and now the next problem, there are only few problems are remaining in the exercise 1.3 that are also of show that type of problems and which are asked for number of times in the exams. So we will solve the number of problems or some of the problems from given them. Okay, if you have any difficulty then ask me, but try to understand the problems. Okay, thank you.